What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. As a teen, you oftentimes don't really know what is wrong and what is right in terms of your grooming routine. You normally try out different things and methods and kind of test what works and what does not. And that is actually totally fine because every skin and body is different. But there still are a few common things that will help every young man to upgrade his grooming routine and therefore look more attractive as well. And that's why I created today's video to show you 7 grooming tips that every young man must try. Those grooming hacks will help you with a 100% guarantee to look more attractive and better looking as well. But before we start with today's video, just take a quick second and smash the like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family guys, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright guys, let's start with the first grooming hack that every young man must try, which is simply cut out all the soda and replace it with simple water. Soda contains massive amounts of sugar and other chemicals which will lead to impure skin. So instead of drinking soda, replace it with simple water. By only drinking water for the next 30 days and no drinks that contain sugar, you will definitely experience a massive change on how your skin will look and also how you feel as well. So just try it out for the next 30 days and experience the difference. Let's continue with number 2. In terms of skincare, less is definitely more, so don't use too many skincare products at once. 1 to 2 high quality natural products and you're good to go. Using too many skincare products at once will also destroy the natural protection layer of your skin, which will lead to a more sensitive skin and more pimples as well. And also make sure that you use mostly or only natural products. I will link you some of my favorite products that I'm using right now in the description of this video so you can check them out. Alright guys, let's continue with number 3, wash your tongue. If nobody told you this so far, I will tell you, you need to wash your tongue. Otherwise it will not only look bad and nasty, you will also become the guy with a bad breath. A great way to actually check if your breath is bad is to lick your wrist and then smell on it. If it smells bad, then your breath might smell bad as well. Besides using your toothbrush to clean your tongue, you can also buy yourself a tongue scraper, which is an amazing tool to clean your tongue. So always make sure that you wash your tongue when you brush your teeth, so your breath is always on point. Let's continue with number 4, always wash your face after doing sports. Simply because sweat on your skin will lead to clogged pores and therefore you get pimples as well. And also use cold water instead of hot water to directly moisturize your skin. Let's continue with number 5 guys, supplement zinc. 10 to 15 mg of zinc per day will massively improve your skin, especially if you suffer from pimples and other impurities on your skin. But also make sure that you don't buy a zinc supplement from your local drugstore. Make sure to invest in a high quality natural supplement. I will also link you my favorite one that I'm currently using in the description of this video so you can check them out. Let's continue with number 6, change your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days. A lot of dirt and particles accumulate on your pillowcase. And as you're laying with your head and face on your pillowcase every night, it is very important to always check if it is clean. Otherwise it can definitely lead to bad and impure skin. So my recommendation would be to always change it at least every 3 to 4 days. And last but not least guys, drink green tea and eat dark chocolate. They contain a lot of minerals and especially antioxidants, which are incredible to improve your skin. Just make sure that the dark chocolate has at least 85% or more, and that you also buy high quality green tea and you're good to go. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Share it with a friend who needs to see it. Also guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well, become part of the family. I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.